Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a landing page. So I'm going to start, I'm in your dashboard. Actually, I was just editing out a page, but in your dashboard, I'm going to click Pages and then Add New. And we're going to title this just for today, Landing Page Example. We're going to scroll down, and to make it a landing page, I mean, what you really want is you want to force kind of customers to make one move on that page. So probably sign up for your form or RSVP for the thing. So we're going to use this disable elements a lot, and we're going to disable the top bar, the header, the primary navigation, the content title, and if we want, I mean, we could leave the footer. It doesn't really make a huge difference. So we're going to disable all this stuff. We're also going to make it full width, and then we're going to hit publish. And then we're ready to toggle over to Beaver Builder. So you'll see like we have a footer, but we have nothing else there. So what I like to do is I like to start by adding your logo, and you would just select photo, and then you're going to find your logo in here. And you have a couple different versions of your logo in here. This is like the biggest image size, and then you have some that are a little smaller, and then one for different places on your website, they have to kind of appear different. So we're going to go with that one right in the middle. We're going to kind of feel it out. That's a little big. Let's see how the medium looks. Yeah, that's about right. And we're going to make it center, and that's it. And then from this point, so now you have your logo there, I would recommend using one of the templates they have in there for landing pages. So some of them have forms already in them. This is one I've used before. So I'm going to just append this so it goes kind of underneath. And then I would just go through and start editing it to match your branding. So we're going to take out all these colors. So when you take out colors here, it just defaults to your standard colors, and then you can kind of control them when you get in there. So they have a slideshow going. You could do the same thing. You could just add like 3 of your pictures. I'm just picking 3 random ones. Oh, that one was on accident. And then what they have over here is they have a background color going over it, which I don't think I would go. We'll try this. Background color, we'll make it white. And then you can play with the opacity of that. So we'll try like 75, see how that looks. And then we're going to take this off. Okay, there we go. And then they have something going on the inside too. So you can kind of decide if you like that or not, up to you. But putting like a white layer over it, it kind of makes it a little easier to read. So maybe we'll take this over to 80. Oh, I don't want to do that. I want to do the overlay white. Sorry, I got a little confused. Yeah, now that kind of changes how that looks. Okay, so we'll save that. And then to get to this section, so this is all what's called a column. So whenever you see color on the inside and on the outside, you're going to go to edit this column. So column settings. And here you can see they have the black there, so we can take that off. They also have a border. Maybe we just change the color on that to one of your colors. Ooh, and you can see how this is already kind of starting to come together, which is kind of cool. Yeah, we'll make it 100% on there. Okay. We'll take this out. So we would obviously change this to something, and you can see like already like when you go into edit, like your fonts start to show up. And then this is just a subscribe form. So your service should already be in here. I'll change it if it's not. Yep, and then you can choose your account. And then you can choose like the list. So if you wanted to set up a separate list, you'll see all your lists in there, which is pretty cool. And then that's it. You can change the button and what that looks like. the colors, so we can change that and we can make it pink or whatever. And you can also move these things around and change the font. So you can see how like it doesn't take very long to get something that looks really nice, and then it's already on your website too. So that is a landing page. How to get on, oh, save, sorry. So it's making me select the list. I don't want to do that. Okay, so that's a landing page. We may throw a couple examples in there in the templates so that when you go to templates and then save templates, we'll maybe make a landing page just so you have something to kind of work with to start with. And that's very easy for us, and I think it'll be kind of helpful for you. So that's a landing page.